What's up, eggheads? Audrey here. Today we're going to talk about building your own PC. It's the best way to ensure that your machine will meet all of your needs and preferences. A home-built PC also keeps the door open for upgrades, as new technology comes out all the time. While you're picking out your components, you might want to consider what kind of case you want as well. And today we're going to check out this super awesome case I have here. This is the darkFlash DLM22 Micro ATX computer case. This case can host a Micro ATX or a Mini-ITX motherboard. First off, the look. Its minimalistic design gives it a super modern and sophisticated appearance. And not to mention this pink color. I love it. So bottom line, it definitely has a very premium look for a case in its price range. And check out this. On the side, we have a magnetic tempered glass door. It's easy to disassemble and tool-free, giving you quick access to internals. And of course, the tempered glass material allows you to see the inner mechanisms of your custom-built PC, so you can definitely get creative in there and build an awesome rig. Also note, this case has a PSU shroud, so though it has a transparent side panel, there's an enclosure inside the PC case running along the bottom that hides the entire PSU box. Therefore, most of its wiring and the hard disk drive are out of sight, giving you a neater internal appearance. The shroud has a pass-through to allow some of the PSU cabling to enter the case. In terms of the cooling system, for the front panel, you can install two 120mm fans. You can also install two 120 or two 140mm fans on top, as the case has two different cutout sizes on top. Or you can also install a 240mm water cooler on top. For the rear side, you can install a 120mm water cooler or a 120mm fan. So you could essentially fit 4 or 5 fans with the layout this case provides. There's also an air inlet path on the side of the case, which can provide more heat dissipation. So you can expect decent air ventilation with this case. And yes, it does have a removable filter allowing you to easily clean or replace. For storage, since solid-state drives can allow your computer to boot up and load programs faster, and hard disk drives can provide the mass storage you need, if you want to upgrade and install SSDs in addition to your HDD, this case certainly has the room for you to do that. Your SSDs could be mounted right here. Regarding wire management, this case certainly has sufficient space for you. If you pop out this side panel, which is super easy to do, just unscrew these 2 screws and pull out this hinge, you can see the space you have where you can easily organize your cables. Let's see how it works. Unscrew these 2 screws, pull this hinge out, and there you have your wire storing space. This is also where you'd screw in your SSD cards and put in your mechanical drives. Back to the rear, we have 4 expansion slots, but please check out how big your graphic cards are and then determine how many and which slot covers you want to remove. Up top, we have 1 USB 3 port, 2 USB 2 ports, a microphone jack and a headphone jack, and also the reset and power button. So in conclusion, we have the darkFlash DLM22 Micro ATX computer case that supports Micro ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, features a tempered glass side door, 4 expansion slots, and you can install up to 5 fans in its compact space. The look is sleek and sophisticated, and what's not to love about this color? I mean, it's beautiful. Quote, "I believe in pink." Who said that? I'll give you a hint. Thanks for tuning in, my friends. For more info on this product, check out the product link below. And hey, if you got a build you want to show off, hashtag Newegg Hype on Instagram. We want to see your masterpiece. This has been Newegg Now, and now you know.